Ready? Start. Advantage 1, advantage 2, advantage 3, under view, disadvantage. Advantage 1, advantage 2, under view, disadvantage. Ready? Then advantage 1, first please extend first PM argumentation. On this point, we clearly say IR cannot get continuous benefit. Please keep in mind. Then instead of empirical in Singapore can be type guy. Then on this point they say assumption completely different because per consumption decrease something high band they completely IR cannot get economical benefit. Please remember. You saw even after plan we cannot get economy. Then in such a situation, what will occur is such of course they show a disadvantage any counter treatment. Of course, without money, of course, we cannot show any treatment. In such a sense, treatment can be doubtful. We can get not complete and please keep it. At the no solvent and complete determine on balance economic. If we want to get the economy, of course, social cost can be obstacle. Therefore, advantage cannot be the reason to harm the resolution. Please keep it advantage too. Advantage 2, my conclusion is on this point, their macro stance only one that gang is irrelevant to illegal casino something, right? The crucial point is if you think that gang relates to the illegal casino, you should use the evaluate no sort of town or no sort of town or no inherent argumentation, right? The crucial point is argumentation, I can't find this more. Then please extend French and I show confirmation that they say illegal casino, right? The illegal casino, of course, who manage illegal casino is gang, right? This is my argumentation. If so, say, affirmative have to show who manage gang. Of course, ordinary people, irrelevant, right? If so, who manage gang, at least they say illegal casino, right? The illegal casino is, of course, manage illegal people. That means gang, right? If so, completely irrelevant, you should not take it. In such a situation, all of non-sole town was illegal loan argumentation and such no-inherent argumentation complete because keeping status quo, the number of gang it doesn't decrease tendency. That's why no urgency to take advantage, right? Please keep in mind. If so, the disadvantage of something completely crucial, please keep it. At least please say completely down. Only they showing no impact is only one that people cannot get treatment something, but they completely granted. Actually, people can get treatment. If so, advantage complete no impact and no reason to harm resolution. Please remember, go to advantage 3. Advantage 3, my conclusion on this point, the conclusion is assumption is affirmative assumption is treatment. Then negative assumption is regulation assumption. Assumption is irrelevant assumption. However, confirmation. Crucial point is actually government can do the countermeasure on all. Crucial point. Treatment no assumption assumption is completely irrelevant. Actually, our evidence says that actually government start to countermeasure. This is important. If so, completely no inherent I can conclude. So this is my first argumentation. At least on this, please extend. This is therefore advantage no inherent at most cannot be the reason to affirm resolution. Therefore, crucial point under. Under my first time, please extend the 2AC confirmation for Japan casually to say into for the fund. Therefore, no completely irrelevant. At least empirical. Then on this point, they say no linkage or something. However, of course, we cannot rely on such no linkage completely, right? Because of disadvantage. Why we have to rely on such only no linkage completely? Therefore, conclusion must be at most partial. Please remember. Then counseling argumentation, please extend minor confirmation that the exclusion system. First one, that the exclusion system cannot be done. The crucial point, medical drug and counseling system. The counseling completely partial, thanks to the 2AC culture. Of course, 1% recover cannot be done. In such a session, I show evaluation later, disadvantage flossing. At least please extend. Okay. Then medical argumentation complete empirical, then please extend minor confirmation. Because if such super mission exists, of course we already get but the government already never do so. In such an empirical, go to disadvantage. Disadvantage firstly, I show preemption. Clear speaker might argue that many countermeasures we can adjust for something. However, you should not take such magic word because negative already put casino gambling, most dangerous gambling to cause addiction, complaint, status for gambling. For example, A sub uniquely, B sub linkage, something. In such a situation, you should not relate such magic word. This is my first conclusion, please remember. At least on the point, many countermeasures cannot be done complete partial. Then in such a situation, please extend second and third one. Uniquely, young people cannot have the countermeasure because of aging, the silver democracy, please keep it. At that time, people, such young people go to illegal market to get money or something, right? In such a situation, of course, advantage 2 is completely please keep it. At least, then if so, please extend. Okay, sorry. Then I show confirmation nuclei. On this point, they say maybe macro stance is that regulation can be done. For example, the prohibit 80 age or something, completely irrelevant. Because the argumentation is young people is 20 or 30 people, 30 or something. Of course, 40 age or also to some extent, in such a assumption completely irrelevant. At least argumentation, status quo, young people become adults, but such tendency continue. That's why such even such 20 age people become adults, but such tendency exists. That's why such even 30 age people can be addicted. This is my argumentation. This is a support uniqueness argumentation. Please don't misunderstand my argument. If so, uniqueness shall be guaranteed. Please keep in mind. Therefore, the conclusion is please extend the confirmation addition in such a situation. Affirmative just give up such adjustable mathematical say using magic word, but you should not realize such a because they just give up risk management, please keep it. Only keeping the status quo. Actually, the people get away from the status quo gambling, please keep it. Please keep in mind. At least such old data augmentation can't be the independent voting issue such attractive because attractive means such people want to many times go to casino. In such a such old data augmentation, please take it. That's all.